In our journey through life, we often encounter situations that challenge our peace and test our resilience. In these moments, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism stands as a beacon, guiding us towards inner tranquility and strength. Today, I will delve into 12 pivotal lessons from Stoicism, each offering a unique perspective on how to navigate life's complexities with grace and fortitude. These teachings, deeply rooted in wisdom and practicality, are not just philosophical musings. They are actionable insights that can transform our everyday experiences. Let's embark on this enlightening journey, starting with our first lesson, without further ado. 1. Focus on what you can control. The Stoics were staunch advocates of concentrating on elements within our sphere of influence, a principle that resonates profoundly in our modern lives. When we direct our energy towards what we can control, we embody a proactive stance in life, shaping our destiny rather than being passive spectators. This approach not only fosters a more effective and fulfilling existence, but also shields us from the turmoil of external circumstances. As we move through life's unpredictable terrain, embracing this Stoic lesson equips us with the clarity and composure to distinguish between what we can change and what we must accept. 2. The Art of Emotional Equinimity. Stoicism teaches the invaluable skill of maintaining emotional balance amidst the highs and lows of life. It encourages us to experience emotions without being overwhelmed by them, fostering a state of equanimity. This emotional fortitude is not about suppression but about understanding and managing our responses to life's events. By practicing this Stoic virtue, we can navigate life's emotional waves with a steady heart and a clear mind, ensuring that our decisions and actions are guided by reason and not swayed by fleeting emotions. 3. The power of acceptance. One of the most profound Stoic teachings is the practice of acceptance, embracing life as it unfolds, with all its unpredictability and impermanence. This acceptance is not a sign of defeat but a recognition of the natural flow of life. It teaches us to let go of our rigid expectations and embrace the present moment in its entirety. Incorporating this lesson into our lives allows us to face challenges with resilience, find peace in the midst of chaos, and cultivate a deep-seated contentment that is not dependent on external circumstances. 4. Embracing life's impermanence. Stoicism reminds us of the transient nature of life and the importance of living in the present. By acknowledging that everything is temporary, we learn to appreciate the here and now, rather than excessively mourning the past or fearing the future. This awareness cultivates a sense of gratitude for our current experiences and the people in our lives. Living with this consciousness allows us to savor life's fleeting moments, making us more present, mindful, and appreciative of the impermanence that characterizes our existence. 5. Virtue as the highest good. Central to Stoicism is the belief that virtue, the qualities of wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline, is the highest good and the source of true happiness. Stoics argue that external circumstances, no matter how favorable, cannot bring lasting happiness if one's character is flawed. By prioritizing virtue over material success or societal approval, we align ourselves with a more authentic and fulfilling life path. This lesson encourages us to cultivate our inner character, ensuring that our actions and decisions are guided by moral integrity and an unwavering commitment to doing what is right. 6. The importance of self-reflection. Stoicism advocates for regular self-reflection as a means to personal growth and self-improvement. This introspective practice involves examining our thoughts, emotions, and actions, identifying areas where we can improve, and reinforcing our commitment to Stoic principles. Through self-reflection, we gain deeper self-awareness and the ability to live more consciously and intentionally. By embracing this practice, we can continuously evolve and adapt, ensuring that our lives are a true reflection of our values and beliefs. 7. Finding freedom in detachment. A key Stoic principle is the idea of detachment from external possessions and social status. Stoics teach that true freedom and peace come from within, not from external accolades or material wealth. By detaching ourselves from these externalities, we become more resilient to life's ups and downs and find contentment in our inner world. This detachment does not mean renouncing the world, but rather changing our relationship with it. So our happiness and peace are not contingent on things we cannot control. 8. Kindness and empathy in Stoicism. Stoicism is not just about personal resilience, it also emphasizes the importance of kindness and empathy towards others. While maintaining emotional equilibrium, Stoics advocate for understanding and helping others, recognizing that everyone is fighting their own battles. This compassionate approach fosters a sense of community and interconnectedness. By practicing kindness and empathy, we not only contribute to the well-being of others but also enrich our own lives, creating a more harmonious and supportive social environment. 9. Adversity as a catalyst for growth. In Stoicism, challenges and adversities are viewed not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth and development. Stoics believe that facing difficulties with courage and resilience strengthens our character and enhances our ability to deal with future challenges. This perspective encourages us to approach life's hurdles with a positive and proactive mindset. Embracing this lesson helps us to transform our struggles into valuable learning experiences, fostering personal strength and wisdom that benefit us throughout our lives. 10. Living in accordance with nature. A fundamental Stoic principle is living in harmony with nature and the natural order of things. This involves understanding our place in the world and aligning our actions with the rational and ordered nature of the universe. By living in accordance with nature, we find a sense of belonging and purpose, reducing internal conflict and discontent. This Stoic lesson encourages us to live authentically, in tune with our true nature and the world around us, fostering a deep sense of fulfillment and peace. 11. The value of community and relationships. Stoicism recognizes the importance of community and meaningful relationships in our lives. While advocating for personal independence and resilience, Stoics also emphasize the value of contributing to and being part of a community. Healthy relationships and social connections are seen as essential for a balanced and virtuous life. By valuing and nurturing our relationships, we build a supportive network that enhances our well-being and allows us to contribute positively to the lives of others. Conclusion: integrating Stoic wisdom into daily life. In conclusion, these 12 Stoic lessons provide a robust framework for navigating the complexities of modern life. From focusing on what we can control to living in harmony with nature, each lesson offers practical and timeless wisdom. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can cultivate resilience, virtue, and a deep sense of contentment, regardless of external circumstances. As we continue our journey, let us remember the enduring power of Stoic philosophy, a guiding light that helps us find balance, purpose, and peace in an ever-changing world. Through Stoicism, we learn not just how to survive life's challenges, but how to thrive amidst them, embracing each day with wisdom, courage, and grace. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next lesson. Thank you for watching.